The icy winter season will give you a long list of chores to complete to keep things running smoothly. 7 News reporter Ashley KAISER has details on your winter responsibilities as a driver and a homeowner.
There are only 49 days until spring, but in the meantime, you must deal with the winter driving and shoveling snow. There are several things to keep in mind over the course of this season. AAA East Central spokesperson Tiffany Stanley says, plan for the worst, but hope for the best.
During these conditions, preparation really does go a long way. Our most common emergency road service call is battery service. So please make sure you get out and get your battery checked and replaced right away if it's been several years since you've done so.
You can take your car to your local auto repair shop or even check it yourself. However, the low temperatures can impact many other aspects of your car.
You also want to check your windshield wiper and the windshield wiper fluid, maybe opt for something that will not freeze, and inspect your tires, okay? Make sure you have the correct tire pressure.
By remembering AAA's tips, you're not only protecting yourself this winter, but also many others on the road. Winter safety not only applies to your vehicle, but your home as well. When it comes to being a homeowner, winter weather adds several things to your to-do list. Snow and ice removal are never a fun task to complete, but 7 News legal analyst Diana CRUTCHFIELD says neglecting it could lead to a lawsuit.
The law is quite clear that it makes not only a property owner responsible, but also the person who's using the property or coming onto that property.
Although accidents do happen, CRUTCHFIELD says negligence will determine who is held liable in a situation. She says you should want to protect and keep others safe, so do what you can within reason to keep your property free of snow and ice. CRUTCHFIELD recommends checking your city's requirements so that you're up to date on your responsibilities.
My advice would simply be, if you live within those commercial areas, to make sure that your sidewalk is clear so that you don't get tagged for a big bill from the city. And if you don't live in those city required areas for snow removal, that you do the best you can. And if somebody's coming to your house, you give them a little warning.
If you keep these things in mind, winter will be over before you know it. Reporting for 7 News, I'm Ashley KAISER, working for you.
Ashley, thanks. And my advice is to get these things done sooner rather than later, and that way you no longer have to worry.